your name?
My name is Nicolette Foxidio, ma'am.
How old are you?
I am 27 years old, ma'am.
Do you have children? Are you married?
I am single mother of two children, ma'am, ages 6 years old and 8 years old.
Okay. What about your working experience, Nicolette?
I work in Cyprus for 2 years, ma'am, and I take care two children of one Romanian guy and this one boy, one girl, 1 year old and 3 years old, ma'am.
So you speak Romanian, right?
Little, ma'am, salute.
Have you ever been in Romania?
No, ma'am, but I love the culture, ma'am, because all the time when I play with the kids, they keep dancing Romanian dance, and I like the way they dance. It's like belly dancing.
Okay. What
And
what was the job of the Romanian family in Cyprus?
the mother and the father are both working in one restaurant, ma'am, and I'm in charge for their children.
So were you a live-in worker?
I'm living out, ma'am, for their family. When they came home, I go and start another job from outside and work in one restaurant again, ma'am. After the children, I take care of them from morning to afternoon until their parents come home.
How old were the children?
1 year old baby girl, ma'am, and 3 years old boy, ma'am.
And you were the only one taking care of the children during the day?
Yes, ma'am. When they sleep, ma'am, I cook their food for lunch. So when they woke up, the food is ready, ma'am.
What kind of food were you cooking for them?
I cook soup, ma'am. This potato with tomato sauce, salami, and sometimes I make cereal because they are babies, and I make their milk. I also make juice, orange juice with some for vitamin C.
Okay. And did you also play with the children?
Yes, ma'am. We in our home in their flat there is one playground. The rest of the day and afternoon after they woke up, we play and sometimes we go on the park, ma'am.
Sometimes you go in the park. Okay.
Yes,
Um,
ma'am.
would you agree to sleep in the same room with the baby if the baby is small?
Yes, ma'am. Because it's my responsibility, ma'am, to take care these
Okay.
children.
In Romania, there is a live-in job. It's not live-out. You know this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because I came from Cyprus and it's open country. But if I were be chosen to choose one job, I rather to choose living in job for the children or for a baby because this task is not we need to take care of these children for 24 hours. If needed, I go with the job, ma'am.
Okay. And would you agree to do the household chores in the house?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Why not?
Okay. Um, would you agree to follow exactly the instructions of the employer? I mean, not to do everything by your own initiative, but to ask your employer how she wants you to do everything in the house and with the child.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who will take care of your children?
My mother, ma'am, and sometimes their father comes to visit at home and give some foods and treat the children out of the house, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what do you think you are better at? You are better in doing the cleaning of the house or taking care of children?
Ma'am, for me as a mother, I can do multitasking, ma'am, because when the baby sleep, there are too much job to be done at home. We cannot wait for tomorrow to finish this task. That's why we have to be clean and to be neat all the time because for children, they need a healthy and clean environment, ma'am, for them, for their sake.
Do you have car sick? I mean, when you travel long distances with the car, do you feel sick like vomiting?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is everything. I will let you know if any employer is interested in hiring you.
Okay, ma'am.